In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom meeting calendar invite using Gmail, a simple yet essential task that can make your scheduling a breeze. First up, let's dive into your computer or device and open Google Calendar. You can access Google Calendar by navigating to calendar.google.com in your web browser. Once you're there, sign in with your Gmail account if you haven't already. Now that you're in, take a look at the interface and locate the Create button. You'll typically find this button on the left-hand side of your screen, prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it to start setting up your new event. After clicking Create, a new window will appear, asking for various details about your event. Here, you'll input all the necessary specifics, such as the meeting title. It's important to give your meeting a clear and descriptive title, something precise that will remind participants of the meeting's purpose. Next, let's set the date and time to match when you want your Zoom meeting to occur. This step is crucial because it communicates the availability to all participants. Remember to double-check your time zone settings to ensure the invite is sent with the correct time for everyone involved. Once you've set the date and time, it's time to add guests. Simply enter the email addresses of everyone you want to invite to your meeting. Google Calendar makes this easy, allowing you to quickly add multiple emails in the provided field. Be sure to double-check for typos and ensure everyone important is included. Now it's time to integrate Zoom with your invite. This might seem a bit tricky, but don't worry, it's straightforward. Look for the Add Conferencing or Add Video Conferencing option in your Event Details section. Click on that and choose Zoom from the list of available conferencing tools. If it's your first time linking Zoom with Google Calendar, you might be prompted to sign into your Zoom account and authorize the connection. Once that's set up, Zoom will automatically generate a meeting link and dial in information for your calendar event. Pretty handy, right? This link ensures that everyone invited can easily access the meeting, reducing last-minute technical hurdles. You'll notice there's also an option to add a description or any additional information your participants might need. This could include an agenda, preparatory materials, or even a simple reminder about the topics to be discussed. Including this information can greatly enhance the meeting's productivity as it allows participants to come prepared. Lastly, don't forget to hit the Save button at the top of the window. Google Calendar will then give you the option to send invitation emails to your guests. So go ahead and confirm that you want those invites sent out. And there you have it. Your Zoom meeting is all set up and ready to go in Google Calendar. Thanks for tuning in and happy scheduling.